no doubt that Halloween is one of the funnest times of the year. So we're gonna have some fun by restyling some of these dollar store dolls that I got, and they make for absolutely one of the most unique Halloween decors you can have. All you're gonna need are some dolls, some acrylic paint, and a lot of imagination. So what I'm going to be doing is basically taking off all their clothes and just painting them a different color. I went for a gray because I did want them to have that creepy old kind of zombie-like feeling. These are super fun because you can remake them to any type of theme that you want, whether it's scary or pretty or cute. The main brush that I use for this project is this really thin brush that I got from Michael's. So if you don't have a super steady hand, you can also use some felt markers. Those would work really well, especially if you're painting the body something light just like this. You also don't have to paint over her whole face. You can also just reuse the eyes that she already has and just add on some details that you want to make it look unique and something that suits whatever your theme may be. You can also paint on some new clothes for the dolls or use some other types of props and, stick them on their faces or even on their bodies. Here I'm painting her face with a Day of the Dead theme, and I really love this idea because there's so many different ways that you can do it for each doll. You can also get creative with their hair and paint that whatever color you want. Aren't these actually the cutest little things? This is actually one of my favorite ones of them all. I really enjoyed this DIY because I got a really unique Halloween decoration that nobody else has. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, comment down below and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!